This strawberry and whipped cream cake is one of my favorite summer bakes with simple ingredients. Light vanilla sponge, stabilized cream, and fresh whole strawberries tucked inside every slice. I'm Sandra, a professional baker, and on this channel I share recipes and a little behind the scenes from the bakery where I work. Now let's build this cake. Mix flour with baking powder and salt. Set aside. Take 3 large eggs and a cup of sugar. Whip them on high using a stand or hand mixer. In 4 to 6 minutes, you should end up with a thick and light egg foam that has distinct marks from the whisk. In the meantime, I heated up milk, mixed it with vegetable oil and vanilla. Now with mixer going on lower speed, add half milk, then half flour, milk and flour again. Scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure that there is no dry flour left, and only mix until well combined to avoid overmixing. As a result, we get sort of a cupcake batter consistency. I have 2 7-inch pans here. Any cake pans will do. Bake them at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. If you want, you can make 3 layers, then bake them for 20 minutes. When cakes are baked, cool them completely before using. Take 1/4 pack of gelatin, which is about 5 to 6 grams. Bloom it in a couple tablespoons of cold water. Wash your strawberries and slice about half of them in halves. I like to slice the darker top off and bottom as well if it got too dark to my liking. Then measure whipping cream, icing sugar, and vanilla. Whip them on medium-high speed until soft peaks. Melt your gelatin in any convenient way and add a couple tablespoons of soft whipped cream to bring the temperature down a little. Now with the mixer on medium, slowly pour in melted gelatin. Stop once you reached slightly stiffer peaks. I use acetate film to assemble my cake today, but you can use spring foam pan or adjustable one with plastic cling instead. Place a circle of sliced strawberries. Secure them with some whipped cream. And add more strawberries in the middle. Cover with most part of whipped cream and place second layer of cake on top. Firmly pushing it down to avoid air hollows. Decorate the top with the remaining cream to your liking. Let the cake sit in the fridge for at least 5 hours for cream to stabilize. Decorate with more strawberries on top just before serving. It slices real easy like a sweet cloud. For convenience, slice it into thin rectangle slices, as it's quite tall and soft. It's a wonderful summer cake. Enjoy!